Hi, I just got an urgent request to build a RAG prototype for an internal project. And since I like to work with Llama Index, I decided to use GitHub Copilot for Azure to help me find an existing sample that I could use as a getting started and then deploy it to Azure Container Apps. So after installing the GitHub Copilot for Azure extension for VS Code, I can just talk to my Copilot by invoking @Azure, then asking it to help me find a sample. Let's give it some time to retrieve all relevant resources. Once it's done querying all available Azure resources, it did find a sample for me, and it's for JavaScript, which is perfect. I can vibe copy this AZD command to initialize my project. And I'm gonna use Llama Index as my environment name for AZD. Alright, it downloaded all the files. Now I need to first deploy this sample as is to Azure before I use it, just to see how it works. Let's ask Azure, how do I deploy it? Okay, looks easy. I just need to run the AZD up command. Let's do that. My sample is now deployed on Azure Container Apps. Let's try it out. Hi there, tell me a joke. Oh, it looks like there is a missing configuration in the container. Let's give that error message to the extension and ask it to help me fix it. After inspecting my code base, GitHub Copilot for Azure is suggesting me to add this line to my main bicep file. Let's do it. I'm now wondering if we should pass that variable to my container as well, since it's a runtime configuration. Let's ask Azure Copilot for help. Okay, interesting. We need to add this variable to the container config. Let's copy and paste it in the bicep file. Okay, here. So now after making those changes, how can I redeploy my app? According to the extension, I just need to run AZD deploy. Let's do it. The new revision of the app has been deployed. Let's try it out. Tell me a joke about cats. Amazing, it's working! You can also download the GitHub Copilot for Azure extension in VS Code, try it out, and share your feedback in the repo. Thank you.